Final rites for missing boy from Takyel Kolon Laikai who went missing in a Kuki inhabited area in Jozangtek on July 6 last year was performed today. The last ritual was conducted using a tree plank of pangong in place of his body. Patsoy MLA Sapam Kunjakeshwar also attended the ritual ceremony. Speaking to media, Pijam Ibungobi, father of the missing student, expressed dismay with the government's failure to locate his son. He highlighted that despite submitting memorandums to the governor and chief minister, and despite assurances from the security advisor for a decision by July 20, no investigation has been initiated by the authorities. He further stated that despite conducting the final rites of his son, they will persist in their demonstrations until his son's whereabouts are determined. On the other hand, MLA Sapam Kunjakeshwar asserted that the state government is actively addressing the situation, initiating every possible step to resolve the ongoing crisis and to locate the two missing students.
Agi isagi mathawangam pangthoibase phibamna yadana society da hingibsi ai thanda na tabanina mathawangam se tawdragadi laikai ga changna daba koi chanabi matungna mipum khutimangna masi victim family khudim ta thokpa thabongni madugi phibamna yadana ai tasengna pangthok chaning dabani mamdi masi pangthoga ikhogi haksang thiba khotpagi pressure da ju khara soin hantakani ai ji khangya du ju phibamna yadana ai maming do pangthok chabani aduna ai amadi ikhogi manipur gi mangriba victim mayam gi aputbagi pressure se manipur government na yariba makai thu matamda ngam laigidre haina khallagana magi haksang phiron puthokpiu aina hajiribse ai gi isagi hemanjit ki amadi linthoi ngambi khaktagi wanate loinmak अखोई मणिपुर की मांगरिबा मैतै विक्टिम मयामदुगी हक्सांग मयामजु अथोबा मतमदा मणिपुर गवर्नमेंट अमदी पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट ना मसी पुथोकपिनबा दमकता आइना हंकचरी
अखोई लेंगाक्सिगिदि लेंगाक्सिदा यावजरिबा अखोई एमएलए मोइना we have tried our 11 best no stone under just believe me कोइदा थाजबा तंबियो अखोई की लेंगाक्सिना सुमबगे असुम पुथोकनबा नत्रगा वारबा सिंगसि लोइसना होनबदा Simadi taude, simadi wale haba. Amata lora, simadi I'm proudly thamjagi am saying. Because pain ba pain da but today matangkara sanghine. Asi shagi, sigi bangun isin today thongam isin base. Isin English na leba Manipurama. Hana gumaina puruk kumak. Nushina na lega. Apun ba Manipuri nakpa ngambado. Isa sigi nisi taru matam sina biba or poison.
Meanwhile, Hijam Kulajit, father of the missing student Luwangbi Lintoingambi, firmly stated that the family will not perform her last rituals until they receive any tangible evidence or bone fragment belonging to their missing daughter. Luwangbi Lintoingambi went missing on July 6, 2023 during a period of heightened turmoil in the state. Since then, the family has been tirelessly meeting with the security advisor and the governor of Manipur, urging them to locate their child. Despite their continuous efforts since July 2023, the family has not received any substantial response. Recently, the families of Luwangbi Lintoingambi and Fijam Hemjit met with the governor and security advisor to seek updates on their children's cases, which are being handled by the CBI. They also requested any remains or evidence related to their children so they can perform the necessary last rites. The security advisor promised to provide a brief report by the 20th of the current month, but as of now, the families have not received any communication from him. Hijam Kulajit emphasized that the CBI filed a charge sheet on December 31 regarding his daughter's case, yet no arrests have been made. He expressed frustration of what he perceives as the government's failure to deliver justice. He concluded by reaffirming that the family will only perform the last rites for their daughter once they receive reliable evidence or a bone fragment that unequivocally belongs to her.
सही फाजले मेमोरेंडम पीगिबसेना हार एक्सेलेंसी उनबदसु महान खुदकता फोन तौदना सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर राजीव चिंबा लोइन उनदा मोइना तांग कुन मरी बुकी मनुंदा पीगनेना ताजबा पिरागजु इंटरव्यू लोबदसु तसेना दुबु थाजबा याबरा हंगदुमा अदुमा अखोइदा लंगना बोइना थोकी तसेमसु ओइरे हंदकी सुप्रीम कोर्ट की 2023 की बाय निमित्ता चार्ज थागलेना सीबीआई ना हारगजु ngasibote एक्शन लोखते हौजिबो पुथोइना पुथोक्तबसे मसीदी करिगुंबा मा अतमना तसेना हारबदा सुदा लेरिबसिंगेसिजु इंडिया गवर्नमेंट पैसा पीरगा तौबने मोना पीरगा थमिबा कांबुजिंगसिना भूत सानबने तसेना हारदा मणिपुर इरांग थोलिबसे कुकी ये एमएलए तरा अमदी मिनिस्टर याइबा मखोइजिंग सिसु मखोइजिंग सिगी मतकता हाना तसेमदे मखोइदा एफआईआर लखलगा बुक तोबम थोपने जे आई तसेना हाइनिंगे कुई लेंगाक सिदना तबा भारत की जिनतबा मफम अतोबा मदा वाकटफम लेरगदी सजेशन पीबियो मखोइगी मतकता बुक तोदबगी मरम लेब्रा बसे मयाम नांगबियो हुजु ओइरिबा फिल्म से कनानु ओहेनबनो हाबसे लेंगाक पाइरिबसिंग सिंगजु यामना तसेना कुमना खनबिरगा हुजु हुजि सथरिबा पार्लियामेंट मिफम अमदी लाकदोरिबा असेंबली मिफम असिदा अंगांग अनिजिगी दनातना पुनमकी असोप नंगरिबा अवाना तारिबा पुनम असिंगजे हेना फगत पमौदा पुखपिरमनबा सिंबियो